name is Gertrude Mwangi. I'm living in Nairobi, the village called Kawangware, Kapiro. I'm married by Mr. Henry Mwangi, and God blessed us with 4 children, 3 boys and 1 girl. Unfortunately, the girl passed away. But all the same, I thank God for everything. I finished my secondary section. Then I went to the college where I qualified as a primary teacher. I woke up very early in the morning. I do my general cleaning, feed my chicken, especially now on Fridays. I wake up more than the other days. Around 8, I do our group Karika. At Karika we have got 5 groups. Mine is Friday. We call ourselves Tumaini, where I'm a chair lady. We contribute 20 shillings for the office, and we contribute 10 shillings each every Friday. That one we keep it in the bank. Really, what has made me so happy when I entered in this group called the Karika, I found myself really I'm still somebody, because I worked as a civil servant. After retiring, I thought that now that's the end of my life. But now I have got a future, because I know though you are old, you can do something good for the country and the people. And I like to talk to young girls and boys. They like me because I talk to them. So I want the young generations to behave. When I was young, I was entertainment groups, I was acting. But now I see that really it was a talent, because up to now I'm still acting. Here we all the people, I think we are doing a very good work. As I told you that I've got chicken, and some they are having animals and they are old. So I know we are providing richness in this area. A support from the community, not very much. That's why we are working so hard. And we have got somebody in the community, Mr. Sam, help the community give us cash to help us at least not to be idle and not to be helpless in the community. Cash transfer money they have given the people, but not all of us, because all the people, there are so many in Kenya. It was last year, September 2012, and we are demanding our rights and recognition from the government. When all the people from the different part of Kenya, we came together in Uhuru Park. The same year, last year, we visited the office of Attorney General. A delegation from all the people, they told us to go and inquire those cases who have stayed for a long time in the court, so that he can help us. And even we have sent few of them to him. I would like our government to support us through health, housing, protection from aid abuse, and take care of orphans. For AIDS demand action this year, we are planning to go and see the Minister of Health to sensitize on our health issues. I ask my fellow old people in European and members of the European Parliament to fight for greater recognition of aging development countries like Kenya, to support the contribution that we old people can make in development programs.